Well, hello beautiful people, my name is Bridget and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an awesome day, and today's video is going to be on unfiltered opinions on new makeup releases. I feel like it's been a week or two since I did one of these, and today I just want to talk about some new stuff that's coming out in the makeup world, give you my thoughts, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, as always, all makeup on this channel is cruelty free, so all the products I'm mentioning in today's video, and this is my own personal opinions. If we disagree on something, it's just makeup, it's not that serious. It's cool. So let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys like this makeup. I'm trying to do something dark, like ooh, with the lighter hair since the hair is not dark anymore. And I'm gonna go see the Joker in this, so like I think it looks pretty decent. Let me know what you think. Also, in case you haven't noticed, I've been trying to post every single day in October on Instagram, and I'm going to track my progress. So if you guys want to follow me over there, that'd be really cool. And I'm going to ask you some questions in Instagram stories, like future videos and stuff. So I just want to get some opinions before I film things. So yeah, it'd be super cool if you follow me over there. Let's go ahead and get started with the first thing, which is Jeffree Star's mystery boxes for Halloween. I don't know if there's an exclusive item. Okay, there is an exclusive item. It's probably a spooky hot pop socket. That's what we got last time and the time before. It's pop sockets. I think there's a cute, I'm not crazy about the ghost emoji on the box, but I like the special boxes. This t-shirt is everything. This can't relate shirt with the zombie hand is everything, and so is the spooky mirrors. I don't need these things at all. But holy crap, so the boxes are $40, $75, and $160. I know I should get one to unbox for you guys, but like, I don't know. I wish there was like a $20 box. But yeah, this looks really cool. I love the spooky mirrors in the shirt. I love that. I don't know about what's in the mystery box. It's probably things that aren't selling very well, if we're being honest. But like, I'm not mad about it. It's kind of cool. I'm kind of loving the mirrors in the shirt. Next up is a collaboration with e.l.f. and Nabella. I'm not familiar with her. Oh, she's a lot of Instagram followers though, so I personally haven't seen her. But this collection ranges from $8 to $35. The collection looks cute, and the packaging for like the powders looks really pretty. The brushes, they look kind of cute for e.l.f. brushes, not really what I expect. So e.l.f. doing collaborations, it looks nice. I kind of into it. The packaging in this is very beautiful. Okay, so next I've heard a lot about this. People keep posting like, oh my gosh, can't wait to try this. And it's the Juvia's Place Stick Foundation. They're $16, come in 30 shades. I mean, there's only like 3 fair ones, if we're being honest. But I don't know. I can't pronounce like half these names up here. I do not like the foundation from Juvia's Place. I like the concealer. The concealer is great. But I don't like the original foundation, so maybe I'll try this. It's only $16, and I feel like some stick foundations are the worst thing I've ever tried, and some are like really easy to like throw on and go instead of like pouring out liquids. So I'm kind of interested. I'll probably end up trying it. You guys can let me know if you want a review when it comes out. I think it comes out in the stores on like the 11th. So hopefully I can like swatch some and try. Because again, with like the last Juvia's Place launch, I want to see the color. And you can't even see through the bottle of the Juvia's Place regular foundation, which is still very irritating and probably the worst design of a foundation I've ever heard of. But the stick colors look nice, and some of these look cool tone, which is amazing because the other ones are really yellow. Alright, a lot of you guys tagged me in this, and I feel like it's just because you think you get a kick out of my reaction, because you guys know I'm not a big fan of like giant, bulky, ridiculous, huge palettes. So this is the BYL Cosmetics. Is it really called the Bile? Because that sounds disgusting. Cosmetics. Guess who's never getting on that PR list? Me. So this is the limited edition palette. It is 63 shades for $35. Great price. A lot of it is pressed glitters though, and I'm not the biggest fan. The swatch of this looks absolutely stunning. Like, they look so good. But it's enormous. It's enormous. I would never want something this big and bulky in my collection. Like, I need to see it compared to like a Morphe palette. Like, how big is this thing? Because it's kind of hard to tell in person. The swatches look stunning, don't get me wrong. Even though I find it kind of suspicious that like, I've never heard of this brand before, and it's just popping up with a giant palette that's on Trendmood. How much do they pay for this advertisement? I don't know. But I definitely wouldn't name my company the Bile. Okay, so next up is like this little collage of things we got sneak peek in the Shane and Jeffree Star series in part 2. Which, there was a clip of me in part 2. There was 2 clips. There was like a clip of me talking, it came back to me talking, and then there was like my lip swatch at the very end. It was pretty cool to see myself, and you guys freaked out about it. So these are a bunch of like the previews of the colors and stuff. I'm not the biggest fan in the world of metallic looking lipsticks, but I'm dying to see the Are You Filming shade, like the dark red and the Rylan color, which looks like a really pretty nudie kind of color. I'm dying to see those, like what they look on like lip swatches. I'm dying. And the I Gotta Go, like a pastel, might be kind of a cute moment too, but your girl has like kind of yellow teeth, so I'm going to need to whiten those if I'm going to wear the color. But I think it goes without saying, I definitely want this collection. I try all the Jeffree Star stuff. I'm a huge Shane Dawson fan, and I think this would be really cool. Like, I'm excited. It looks cool. I feel like it's going to be a pain in the butt to try to, like, order it on that day. Like, it's going to be a pain in the butt. And I would be, like, legitimately scared for my life to go to a Morphe store on launch day for this. I'd be scared. They'd be, like, throwing out ping pong balls, hoping you can get, like, a number. People would be fighting over them. Like, they're going to have the most organization, the most security in the world, and I'd still be worried if like something's gonna happen on a Morphe store when this collection comes out. But like, it looks so cool and I'm really excited. I'm definitely a person who's gonna buy it online, not go in store, because that sounds so scary. So next up is they're at it again, y'all. It's Anastasia. Who hurt you, Anastasia? I want to know what happened. So they released the Jackie Aina palette. It got like a blip. And then it was Norvina 1, 2, 3. I mean, I think I even missed 2 in the middle there. 3 came out so fast behind it. Like, I think it was purple, blue, orange as the colors that came in. But to me, it's been like all in this month and a half. And then there's a new palette that we haven't even spoken about yet. So the Jackie Aina one, I wasn't interested in. The color story just wasn't for me, even though there was a really pretty green in there I kind of wanted. It just didn't appeal to me. The Norvina 1, 2, 3. The first one came out and I was like, oh, this is kind of pretty, but I don't want to pay $60 for a pressed pigment palette, like right at this time, because I normally probably would. And then it was 2, 3 before I even blinked. So I feel like anyone who was like trying to save their money for a nice palette ended up getting Norvina 1 would be really disappointed if they wanted 2 or 3, which had a similar like fun, colorful color story immediately after. But now we have another Anastasia palette. Someone wronged them. Alright? I understand how things like timelines never work out. Like, let's say it's some sponsorships, they usually go boom, boom, boom. It always works out like that. It's weird. But Anastasia, but besides the fact that I don't know what the hell is going on with them right now, this is the Carly Bible palette, and I absolutely despise the cover of this. It looks really, really tacky to me. I do not like the cover art of this whatsoever. I know she said she wanted to be really girly. I hate the cover of the palette. I love the lipstick colors, like they're super nude and boring, but they're really beautiful. But the color story on the inside of the palette I kind of live for. I feel like I wish there were 1 or 2 more mattes in here, like 1 or 2 more mattes that would match the kind of the purpley shimmers and stuff, because we just have a random red in here instead for a matte, which doesn't make much sense to me. But I really like how subtle and cool toned a lot of these colors are in this palette. It is a very neutral palette. There is a lot of shimmery, like metallic-y shades in here. But I love how cool toned a lot of these colors are. So I don't hate the inside of the palette. I just hate the cover, like the little, like someone bedazzled something, but they went to Walmart, got the off-brand bedazzles that are really fat, and like they were just way cheaper, and you just got them anyways, because like bedazzling sounds expensive. You got those stick-on sequins instead. That's what it looks like to me. I don't like the palette cover, but the inside is really pretty to me, and it's really boring at the same time, but it's something definitely usable. So I don't know. I don't know if I'll buy it or not, but like, it's cute. I didn't talk about this, but I think this was out last time I released one of these videos, or maybe it wasn't, I don't know. This is the Lunar Beauty Moonspell palette. I was on that website on launch day, like debating like so hard, like is it worth afterpaying this palette, because I really want this palette. The cover of the palette alone is stunning. It looks like a beautiful limited edition piece I can put on my backdrop. It's stunning. I just couldn't bite the bullet on it. I don't know. I really like it. I don't really wear purples, but there's only really like 3 purples in this palette. The shimmers in here look so stunning. The browns in here are like my perfect brown, like over the crease kind of colors. I love this palette. The shimmers in here in the middle row look so beautiful. The palette packaging is probably the most aesthetically pleasing packaging I've ever seen on an eyeshadow palette of all time. Like honestly, of all time, this is probably the prettiest eyeshadow palette I've ever seen, like packaging wise. But like, it's kind of, it's like $56 with shipping, and I really wish it wasn't, because it's so beautiful, but like, I still want it, and I'm still thinking about it. Y'all, I cannot even keep up with ColourPop right now. So this is the new ColourPop and Disney collection. It is the Disney Designer Midnight Masquerade palette, and can we take a moment to thank ColourPop deeply for not forgetting Aurora this time? Thank you, because you forgot her last time and it really hurt my feelings. Sleeping Beauty is a beautiful princess. Quit leaving her out of stuff. So this time we have a bunch of different princesses, and they look, I mean, we have some similar ones too, like from before, but we even have, oh my gosh, what's her name? It's slipping me right now. Her. What's her name? Does this start with a G? I don't know, and you guys are gonna read me in the comment section for it. I'm so sorry. From Hercules, but she's so beautiful. I am living for this collection. I love that you can pick your princess. You get a highlighter and a little lipstick. They changed the liquid lipstick formula for this collection apparently, or maybe they updated their liquid matte formulation altogether. I live, and the palette is so cute. The palette is adorable. Like, the packaging's kind of weird, but you're getting a Disney palette. The Disney palette is gonna be a little bit different. I don't know. It's a beautiful collection. I definitely want to pick a princess and get it, but like, I don't know. It's so cute. I don't know. It's so cute. It's definitely not necessary. They're releasing so much stuff. Like, they just released eyelashes. I didn't even get a chance to react to that collection with the eyelashes they have now. Or they have this new Soul Body. It's like a self-tanner. They have that too. There's so much ColourPop stuff now. I literally can't keep up. And there's also a Sophia Nygaard collection of stick lipsticks, which a lot of you guys tagged me in. I don't wear stick lipsticks. I wear liquid lipsticks. So it's not for me, but I do like the matte packaging. So like, ColourPop is like, and they're always like, but like, right now it's like really fast with the launches. So next up is this other thing. So I go on Trend Mood's page to get these things, obviously, and this is a Trend Mood box. I don't know if this is a one-time box or a subscription box. I don't know the price. I did go on like their link in their bio and sign up for their email list to find out when it launches. I'm very interested. I want it if it's not like $100 or something, because your girl ain't got that kind of money, but it is really nice and I want to try it out. Like, I don't know what's inside to tell you that it's nice, but I am excited. Even when you click on the view products thing, it just says $0. So I don't know the price of this yet, but I'm interested to see what's in here. So next up is from the drag queen Kimchi, which kimchi is also a delicious food if you haven't tried it. Kimchi Chic Beauty is launching, and the aesthetics is pretty much exactly what you think it is, and Kimchi is so cute. But this looks like Claire's makeup, and I'm even sure like she probably wouldn't take that as like a diss at this point. The mirror is so adorable. The like little compacts that are hearts are super cute and kind of reminds me of like Too Faced. The liquid lipstick colors look nice. Like, it says representing rainbow shards is their pack. It literally says shard on the packaging. It looks so childlike, but I don't think children really know who she is. I don't know. Like, even Trixie Cosmetics has like the cutesy theme, but it's not like to this level of like, I guess, baby doll? I don't know. I don't know what my tongue movement was right then, but the mirror looks really pretty. I probably won't buy from it. I don't know. Like, if I'm going to buy from a drag queen collection, it'll probably be Miss Fame or Trixie. So, I mean, unless the aesthetics or the next, like, next launches from this thing looks good, but I don't know. Alright guys, so one last little thing is that the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrizzi highlighter is back at Dillard's. I'll leave a link down below. A lot of you guys really wanted that, but it was limited edition. So it is in Dillard's now. That's the last place I think you're going to find it. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know something you're excited for in the comment section down below. I'm still like drooling over the Lunar Beauty palette, honestly. It's so freaking pretty. And I'm really excited about the shade launch too. And I kind of like the Carly Bible palette. There's just so much makeup lately. I can't keep up. And then the Disney ColourPop. You know what? I don't know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video.